Hi everyone, and welcome to the Excel Hub. Today we're unlocking a formula combination that every modeler should know, which is index match. It helps to overcome many of the limitations of VLOOKUP and is one of the fastest and most flexible ways to look up in Excel. And as usual, if you'd like to follow along, the practice workbook is linked in the description below. Before we jump in, a quick reminder that VLOOKUP can only search to the right. If your lookup column isn't the first column in your table, VLOOKUP breaks. It also relies on column numbers, which means if your table structure changes, your formula breaks again, and index match fixes this. Let's start with match, which doesn't return a value but returns a position. Let's type apples here, and then let's use the match function. So we will type equals match, first select apples, then select the lookup array, which is this one here, and then finally we can type 0 or false and close brackets. And as you can see, Excel tells us that apples is the first item in the list. Oranges would be the second, and then just to test it out, bananas would be the third, as you can see. So match answers the question, where is my item in this list? Next up, index, which takes a list and a position, and then returns the value at that position. For example, if we type equals index, select column D, comma 1, and then click enter, it returns the first price in the price list. So index answers the question, what is the value at position X in this column? Now, instead of typing a position manually, we can feed match into index. For example, we can type equals index, select column E, comma match, and then search for cell H3 within column B, and then finally type 0. And as you can see, this returns the quantity corresponding to the product apples. And the match component here finds the row number for the product, while index returns the quantity from that exact row. And this is the equivalent of a VLOOKUP, but doesn't rely on column numbers, can look to the left, is more flexible, and also more resilient when your data set changes. But what if you have a matrix like this one with region versus month, and you want to return a single value based on both? This is where we use index plus match plus match. And here we've already typed a region. We can next type a month, for example, March. And then let's type the following formula. Equals index. We select the entire range, comma match. And then we look up the region. We look up the region within column B. And then we can type false, comma, once again enter match, and this time look up the month within the row containing the months, and then once again type false and close brackets. And as you can see, it returns 1250, which is the figure corresponding to the intersection of North and March. Excel uses the first match to find the correct row, the second match to find the correct column, and feeds both into index to return the exact cell. And this is therefore one of the most powerful lookup techniques in Excel. Now for the lookup that VLOOKUP can't do. Here we have product to the right and category to the left. VLOOKUP would break instantly here, but index match can handle it. First we select the range, We then type match, look up the product within the product column, close brackets, and then type 1. And as you can see, we're matching on column C and returning from column B. We can then do something similar for price, changing the last value from 1 to 3, as we're looking to retrieve the value in the third column. And as you can see, it returns 1.2, which is indeed the price corresponding to apples. So that wraps up today's lesson, the professional way to search data using index match. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for future Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.